Okay, friends, here we're going to do a fire truck. All for art and art for all. Let's start with the two wheels. So I'm going to do two slightly foreshortened circles. Mine came out a little close together, but I'm going to go ahead and make it work. And I'm going to put the center of the tire in there. This one's a little taller, so I'm going to make this one taller. I'm going to go ahead and color the tire in black. Color the tire in black. And it's going to be a little fatter on one side. A little fatter on one side. I'm going to connect a line back of the truck, and I'm going to imagine that I keep going here. I'm going to imagine I keep going to the front of the truck. Then I'm going to go up at a slight V. That's the front end of my truck. And I'm going to put a line up from the side that comes down. It's going to meet down here, and it's going to stay parallel, and that's going to be my front bumper. And I'm going to go straight up. I'm going to go over and come straight down. I tried to go straight up and stay parallel at this same angle because this is the front end of my truck. I'm trying to make it look like a 3D fire truck. So I'm going to go ahead and put big front windows in. Big front windows. Two big headlights on either side. Two big headlights on either side. And then I'm going to put some lines for the grill. This is the part that helps cool down the truck. It's where air flows through. So I'm going to go ahead and go straight up from the back of my truck. And I'm going to make a line that's parallel to this baseline here. Parallel as in never meets. I'm going to come back and then I'm going to make this line meet up. Make that line meet up with that. Now the top, I'm going to make a line that's parallel with the top and a line that's parallel with the front. Oops, I should have put my lights on first. Let's just go ahead and we'll make that line be part of the lights. I'm going to make a place to anchor my lights. I'm going to put a curved line. I'm going to go parallel and over and round it off. I'm going to round off and have rounded lines there. My lights didn't quite come out right, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do a ladder. So I'm going to do my ladder. Two long rectangles. And then I'm going to do rungs in between. So I'll make this line that's the back of the truck look like one of the rungs. So evenly spaced rungs in between. And then it should be on a hook. So let's put some hooks hanging our truck ladder. And then I wanted to make like a pipe on the side. So I did a circle here and a parallel line parallel to the base of my truck because everything's hanging from the side of the truck. Rounded line. And then I'm going to clamp this down. And then I'm going to clamp that down. And then this was a little panel. In the drawing above, there's a little more room for it. So I'm going to kind of squeeze it in. And then I'm going to kind of squeeze in my door. Put a big window for my door. And there you go. Oh, what do I need though? I need to show the hint of my tires. So sticking out over here would be the other tire. So maybe I would stick that tire out. And then my other tire, I might see right just a little bit of it sticking forward. So there you go, friends. There's a fun fire truck with 3D perspective. All for art and art for all.